am I'm on my tablet on an early hour. And why the heck am I lagging every time I record? Ah! What the heck? Ah! Ah! What the hell does this level 1 idiot want? Otherwise, I'm just gonna chop this straight into pieces. Come on, come on. Come on. Break it apart! Ah! Man, why do you gotta steal it? What the heck do you want? Oh my god. Yeah, in this game there's stealers. And they randomly attack you. And there's also killers. A grand veteran? Hell no, how do I get those? Probably it's the titles. You just get a small ass log. And also sometimes at this right over here, sometimes they just steal it. They just steal it. Well, I'm not gonna steal. Is this guy lagging or am I lagging? Oh wait, no, he's not. That guy glitched. This guy's just chopping all the trees. Like, bro, at least some people might be also toxic here. Hey, 526. Need more. Come on, give me this chop of trees. I need thick trees, not normals. Bruh, they're so flat. I don't know why people randomly attack. Oh. He just stole. He just stole. Hey, I need this. Yeah. That guy must be rage baited due to he didn't even get a lot. Like, bro, to get... Yeah, sometimes you could just go over there. Over there. You know. Also, if it's dark, like it's nighttime, you gotta wear a stupid ass helmet that doesn't even protect you. Get. Yeah, this is the logic, man. You need to see in the dark and wear a stupid helmet that doesn't even protect you from killers. Come on. And some idiots are probably 8 to 9, stealing, toxic, and sometimes even killing people for no reason to this game. Sometimes even rage baiting some little Timmies. I am one of them. No, I didn't get... I am a little Timmy, except I don't get rage bait. Only one time. Oh wait, this guy's a stealer. He steals. Now, cause why is someone a goddamn job application? What? Like, bro, I ain't not getting a job. I'm still a child. Yeah. 5. Oh my god. Run. There's a war! Oh my god. There's a war. Where's the cell here? There we go. Got the modern axe. Yas, baby. Wait, I also need that helmet. You think it's getting night? No. And can I get this? Oh. He's just killing random people. For some reason. Oh my god, the lag. I'm disconnecting or not? Oh my. What's wrong with the internet? Nothing's wrong with the internet and I just disconnected. Well, like, what? Is the game so realistic? What? Like, you do not, you do not have the audacity to lag right in front of my face. Nothing. God damn, this is too. Ah! They really gotta stop friendly fire. What? Bruh. Evercord 279. If you guys have a familiar Evercode with that, is it dangerous? Tell me in the comments. Not cause, like, what happened? What happened? Oh, I'm still in the same server. A level 11. How's this guy cutting fast with a large ass arrow? I'll let you mind. I'm chopping through this like no. I just chopped through it like nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot there were steelers here. You're not even mining trees. What are you doing? Wait, it's thick ass tree. Yeah. On a single damn, oh dude. Come on. Come on. Hey, get off, or else you'll get hit. Oh my. Oh yeah, I forgot the helmet again. I'm just gonna mine this fish. Yep. So now I'm a member because of the achievements. Veteran, play for an hour. Lumberjack Master cut 500 trees. Alright. Oh wait, I have 1,000 money. Didn't even realize. Guys, should I play still a ring? Obviously not. But let's just buy the big axe, and I'm still level 3. Man, this big axe, I swear. Die! Yeah! It's a normal one. What I... Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Bruh. It's chopped. Now, cause why is there blood in there? What's this small blood? You know what? Take for the free money. Is it not opening? There you go. Oh my god, the light just sucks. It's a loop, so I literally gotta pause the video. And it's nighttime. What's that slow motion for? It didn't even. It didn't even get sold. Sold. Huh? It won't sell. It got stolen. Are you kidding me? I think it got stolen, but my currency went up. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, so that's the glitch to destroy logs. Yo, that was extremely fast. Blood PvP now. So if you go right into me, you'll face it. You'll face the provinces. You'll face the face. Let me just do this shit. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, this is mine! Get your gas! Oh my god. Hey, this is mine. This is mine! Man, that guy is stupid. Got 553. How did the cut come from there? I'm gonna use the chain shot trick. I'm gonna use the chain shot trick. It's a tech. Oh my god, if you are playing this game right now, you must use this trick. I think it can work on any type of axe. 195. Oh my god, there's no more big ones. Is this a big one? No. Oh, this one's a big one. Big tree. Let me just use this again. Yeah. Oh, someone seems like a stealer. Someone? Okay, fine. You just left. I have 1,000 now. Wait, what's the next one? 1,000? Fire axes. 1,015. No, it's a 1,500. Yo, what the heck was that for? Oh my god, what the? Someone's a veteran. Someone's a veteran. I gotta get more, a 5,000 more for 100. Can only mine this. Oh, maybe in the future. Wait, I forgot to say there's also cars in this game. It's really expensive. Alright, I got 500 now, so... Ah! Hell no! What the hell? Yo, run, run. Die! 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 No! This guy's gonna say, easy, easy. Look, he's trying to steal. He's gonna attack. Now he's gonna steal. Man, this guy does not like the space we're spending. Like, whoa. Okay, now they're fighting each other. Due to the guy who's trying to fight. This guy evil. Whoever that guy is, it's evil. Run, my little boy. Run, no! I got stolen. Wait. Yes! You stupid. Oh shit, now he's trying to attack me first. We gotta go, I guess. Yo, why is this guy... What are these idiots celebrating for? Car seller? Is this where you get the cars? So expensive. It is so expensive neither way. Buy for Robux, buy for money? Hell nah! What seller? What do you mean by What's a slot? We have a lot of slots anyway. Anyways, the video gotta end. Bye.